Hi there, I'm Alex Cunningham, and I'll walk you through this Notion tutorial step by step. Let's jump right in.
Today I'll show you how to use the Notion Web Clipper, a super handy tool that lets you save articles, web pages, recipes, and more straight into your Notion workspace with just a couple of clicks. If you've ever stumbled across something online and wished you could save it for later, organized and ready for your next brainstorm or research session, you're going to love how simple and efficient this process can be. By the end of this tutorial, you'll be able to quickly capture and store any useful web page directly into your Notion databases, making your digital life much more streamlined. Let's jump right in. The first thing you'll need to do is head over to the Chrome Web Store. This is the official marketplace where you'll find all kinds of browser extensions. To get there, you can just open a new browser tab and type Chrome Web Store into your search bar or go to Chrome, google.com/webstore if you want to be speedy. Once you're there, it's time to search for the Notion Web Clipper. There's a search bar right at the top of the store page. Type in Notion Web Clipper and hit enter. You should see the extension pop up usually as the first result, with the Notion logo right there to help you spot it easily. Now click on the Notion Web Clipper. You'll notice a big blue Add to Chrome button. That's your next stop. Clicking this will begin the installation process, and Chrome might double-check with you, asking for permission to add the extension. Go ahead and confirm. It's perfectly safe and straightforward. The extension will take just a moment to install, so don't worry if it hangs for a few seconds. Once it's finished, you'll see a little notification letting you know it's been added successfully. At this point, sometimes new extensions are hidden behind the puzzle piece icon in your Chrome toolbar. So to make sure your Notion Web Clipper is easy to reach whenever you're browsing, it's a good idea to pin it. Click on that puzzle piece icon. This opens up your extensions menu and find the Notion Web Clipper entry. Clicking the little pushpin icon right next to it will keep it visible up top, kind of like putting your favorite tool on your desk so you don't have to go rummaging for it every time you need it. Now that it's installed and pinned, let's put it to work. Visit the website or article you want to save, a news piece, a helpful blog post, a recipe, whatever you need. When you're on the page, click the Notion Web Clipper extension up on your toolbar. It'll pop open a window, asking you where to save the page in your Notion workspace. If this is your first time, it might ask you to log into Notion, so have your credentials handy. From there, you'll need to choose or add a database where your clipped page will be stored. If you already have a reading list or research database in Notion, great, just select it from the dropdown. If not, you can create a new database right from the Clipper window, which is perfect for kicking off a new project or topic. Once you've picked the spot, hit Save Page. It can take a few seconds, especially if the page is big or your internet connection is a bit slow, but that's totally normal, and that's really it. To double check, just hop back into your Notion workspace and open up the database you chose. You'll see the clipped page sitting right there, usually with a title, preview, and a link back to the original source. So there you have it, the fastest way to save web content straight into Notion. If this tutorial helped you or you have more questions about organizing your workflow in Notion, let me know in the comments below. If you enjoyed the video, hit like and don't forget to subscribe for more tips like this. Thanks for watching and happy clipping.